The PB-1000 Pro. Bigger, badder, bass. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome friends, my name is Elon Osborne and this is my YouTube channel where I talk about movies, audio, and music. And this is going to be a special short and sweet video because today, February 26th, 2021, the new SB and PB-1000 Pro subwoofers are now available online on the SVS website. 2 days ago, a PB-1000 Pro magically appeared on my doorstep. But before we dive in, if you are into movies, audio, and music like me, and you found this video helpful to you, please hit that like button.
What's in the box?
Anyone else enjoy the sound of freshly cut tape? Just me? Okay. We got some literature, including a catalog with other stuff you can buy from SVS and a quick start guide. And power cable. Lift the lid to reveal the beast. Removable grill. Nice. Now I'm gonna put this lid back on and do the old trusted turny turn method, where I'm gonna show you my butt for a little bit and turn this around so it's actually on its head so that I can easily remove the box from the subwoofer, like so. But as you're doing so, just make sure not to hit the camera while you bring the box over, like I just did right there. Remove the plastic, remove that, and take it out of the box ever so carefully. Yeah, gently, there we go. And there she stands in all her glory. Take a look at that nice wood finish, obligatory close-up, and a close-up on the wood finish. To the back, power switch, power cord receptacle, speaker level inputs left and right, trigger input to turn this off and on with the aid of your receiver or preamp, unbalanced inputs and outputs including this LFE input, a SoundPath wireless audio adapter port if you want to make this a wireless sub, and a newly redesigned control button section with auto on, low pass filter, phase, and volume controls.
Quick comparison.
The PB-1000 Pro has a brand new 12-inch high excursion driver versus the PB-1000's 10-inch driver. The Pro series has been completely redesigned with brand new cabinets, now including 2 ports below the driver on the PB Pro series, versus 1 offset port on the PB-1000. The frequency response in the PB-1000 Pro now dips down to a brain-rumbling 17 Hz, up to 260 Hz, versus the 1000 series whose frequency response is 19 to 270 Hz. Powering the Pro series is the all-new Sledge STA325D amplifier, boasting an impressive 325 watts RMS and 820 plus watts peak power, versus the PB-1000's 300 watts and 700 plus watts peak power. And what was previously reserved just for the 2000 Pro series and up, the 1000 Pro series can now be controlled by the DSP smartphone app for both iOS and Android for superior customization of your home theater space. Bottom line, this new Pro series just levels the playing field with all other SVS subs, since a lot of the technology and power that was reserved for the more expensive subs is now conveniently available across the board and at an affordable price. You can get the sealed cabinet SB version in premium black ash for $4.99, but it also comes in piano gloss black and piano gloss white for $5.99. You can now get the ported PB-1000 Pro in premium black ash for $5.99. Since I just got this sub, I really didn't have much time to do much but unbox it. So coming soon will be a video on how to set it up, how to navigate the app, and of course my review on how it sounds, so stay tuned. I was just too excited about this new SVS 1000 Pro series that I just had to tell you now. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss another video like this one. And of course, always be listening.